In the 1850s, P.T. Barnum was eager to develop real estate and infrastructure near his Connecticut home in the suburb of East Bridgeport. As part of this project, he partnered with the Jerome Manufacturing Company, a clockmaker, to move their operations into town. To make the move possible, Barnum said he would sign off on company loans up to a certain amount. In the mess of paperwork put in front of him, though, Barnum didn't pay attention to the totals and ended up signing off on $500,000 of promissory notes. In January 1856, America read in the papers that the great showman didn't have 2 cents to rub together. He was completely bankrupt. In at least one stroke of good fortune, his American Museum was safe. Before the Clockworks drama, Barnum had sold the museum's collection to his management staff, and for a couple dollars in consideration, he had put the museum lease in his wife's name. When things got especially grim, there was at least the reassurance that property in Charity's name was safe from his creditors. Over time, she accumulated a decent portfolio, too, leading her husband to gratefully assure concerned friends that, quote, "without Charity, I am nothing." That's today's Barnum Fun Fact, and if you didn't know, now you do.